Now I will talk about HTML. So what is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language. Tim Berners-Lee first invented HTML in 1990 while working at Geneva Charm. HTML definitely not a programming language but a markup language. HTML5 is the latest version of hypertext markup language. Why learn HTML? You can tell HTML is the life of a website because HTML is used on all the websites you visit on the internet. HTML is a must for anyone who wants to learn website design and development. You can create simply games, apps, and also make animation with HTML. How to write HTML code? There are some online sites where you can do coding without any software, or you can use Notepad. For using Notepad, first open Notepad, okay, and now write some HTML code, okay. Suppose right here, hi everyone. Okay, now save this file and save it. Okay, save this. Okay, desktop. Okay, file name, suppose fast HTML. Okay, type dot text. Okay, no problem. Save this and see, showing here. Okay, check this. Okay, now change this file extension. Okay, cut.txt and type here .htm or .html. okay, and see here now showing here a alert. Okay, yes, and see now change the logo, this file logo. Okay, now open this, double click and see showing here hi everyone. Okay, alright. However, we will use software for HTML. If you look on the internet, you will find there are many HTML editors. For example, Visual Studio Code, Brackets, Atom, Notepad++, Python. Okay, I recognize Visual Studio Code for use code editor. Okay, now first we will show how to download it, then we will show how to use. Okay, open the browser of your choice. Okay, and search code.visualstudio.com. okay, see, this is Visual Studio website. Okay, now choose your operating system. Okay, I use Windows operating system, so I select this. Okay, or if your computer is not supported 64-bit, then you can use 32-bit. Okay, you go to other downloads and select here. Okay, okay, I select 64-bit. okay, save file. Okay, it's downloading. Okay, download complete. Now click here. Okay, I accept the argument. Okay, read this. Okay, then click next. Okay, app data, local programs, Microsoft. Okay, no problem. And at least you need to predict. Okay, 2055 MB. Okay, Visual Studio Code. Okay, don't create a start menu folder. Okay, no. Okay, create a desktop icon. I don't need. If you need, you check this. Okay, next, install, click and wait a few seconds. Okay, and launch. Okay, finish. And now open this. Okay, see, it's open. Okay, I cancel this. Okay, now create a new document. Okay, right click here and go to new and text document, and now name, suppose second. Okay, each. Okay, now change the extension HTML or HTML. Okay, okay, now enter. Okay, yes. Okay, now open this with Visual Studio. That's for right click here and go to open it and select the Visual Studio Code. Okay, see, it's open. Okay, Okay, now open this with any browser. Okay, suppose Firefox. Okay, see, this is totally blank, nothing show. Okay, because this is totally empty. Okay, here is nothing. Okay, now write HTML code. HTML head, title, okay, body, and now paragraph. Okay, suppose here I love my mom. Okay, suppose this. Okay, now save this, go to file and click this save, and it's saved. And now refresh this page and see, showing I love my mom. Okay.